Hey, what's up? Welcome to the channel. Thanks for joining. If you're a first timer, please subscribe. I've got a lot of informational videos coming out and gonna have some good stuff, some fun stuff. We're gonna try to get this brute force stuck here pretty soon, so stay tuned. But real quick, I'm gonna make this video as fast as I can, and it's about the spark arrestor. That's the piece in the muffler. We're gonna swing around to the back, and I'm gonna turn some lights on, take a look, take it apart, clean it. I'm gonna actually do a sound test. I'm gonna do it before the spark arrestor, how it is now, what it sounds like with the current exhaust. I'm gonna take it out, clean it. I'm gonna leave it out, and then see, if it runs better, and how much louder the decibels is, and then put it back in because we want to be safe. Let's head around to the back, take this thing out, and see what we got. All right, here we are on the back side of the brute force, and that's the muffler. The spark arrestor lives inside. To get it off, what you'll have to do is take off these 3 bolts for the brute force. I already took them off. I took 2 of the 3 bolts off, and this one's barely on, so save some time. Don't want to get you guys bored out here. So what we'll do is pull it out and take a look. So you're gonna have this screen. It's expanded metal, not expanded metal, screen more so, and it catches the sparks. Usually we'll fill it with a little bit of soot. Looks like this right here on the edge is all that's in there. Probably it. I'll hit it with a little light brush, clean it up, and that'll be good. So you want to do that to keep the airflow going so you don't lose any power. What I'm going to do is leave this out right now. Let's walk around, fire it up, and see what it reads on the sound meter. All right, looks like it was dancing around like 65 or so on idle. And I'm gonna put it back in, we'll crank it up, see if it sounds any quieter. All right, so I just got finished snugging it up. I'd recommend using the hand tools so you can, or even better yet, a torque wrench. Make sure you don't over tighten it. Just make sure to stay away from like an impact wrench. You don't wanna over tighten it, strip it out, and then have to re-tap it. But let's crank it up now that everything's back together and see if the sound decibels went down or up. There you go. I don't know if it's a big difference at all. Sounds pretty much the same. And got it all back together. It's pretty quick. Hope you enjoyed it. Hit a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe if you have not. Got more stuff coming. Like I said, we're going to get it stuck here pretty soon. So enjoy.